Hello friends, in this video I will repair this charger. I got this charger IP camera, Wi-Fi surveillance camera, and this works well 2 or 3 years, and now it's not working. I've checked the camera with another charger and the camera works perfect. And I concluded that this charger is broken. I think some of you will say it's not worth to repair a simple charger like this, but I can assure you that repairing this is very simple, it's useful and it's fun. First of all, let's test the charger. I will use this device. This is a LED light and it's a charge doctor. Now let's connect to the main. And you can see we have only 3 volts. Now let's repair it. You have to find how can you open this. And mine can be opened underneath. And with a simple tool, now let's see what we have inside. This is a very simple SMPS power supply. It's simple but reliable. And let me tell you what you have to check. You have to check the capacitors. First of one, this 400 volts capacitor, but this looks perfect. And now let's check another capacitor, this one, and as you can see, this capacitor is exploded. I hope that you can see. And what we have to do is to replace this capacitor, and this power supply will work perfect. And you can apply this to almost any SMPS power supply. Now let's do it. Now you can see better. This capacitor, it's exploded. So we have 470 microfarads at 10 volts. Let's find this capacitor and replace it. So I found this high quality capacitor on a dead motherboard, and this is perfect. When you replace this capacitor, you have to be careful to respect the polarity. And you can see this is the minus and this also is the minus. Now let's put this back. In my case was a little difficult because there is a little space, and this new capacitor is not brand new and has very short legs, and as you can see, this one has long legs. Now let's put everything back and let's make a test. Now I realize that I have enough space to put a bigger one next time. I will glue this cover. Now let's test. As you can see, we have 5.2 volts and 400 milliamps, and now this works perfect. This charger should give until 1 amp, up to 1 amp, and I can bet now this charger will last at least 2 or 3 years. I hope that I've inspired you to repair a charger like this. It's a good lesson, and repairing a simple one, step by step, you will be able to repair more complex one. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.